This is going to be a short video, a couple of short videos how to do this. I'm not showing you how to take the grill out because there's another guy on YouTube that does a really good job of it. But the thing is, and I wasn't going to film this, but when you go to taking this out, see how it's curved like that? And this is your grill. That's your backside of your grill. Let's curve like that on the front. See how that's rounded right there? Well, what they don't tell you is it's catching right under this rubber lip right here. And of course, we don't want to tear our trucks up because they're really expensive and parts are terribly expensive too. So you got to stick, push the grill back and put something under here like this to hold that down while you're getting that curved piece that's going under here. And you get that up, pull it out, and slide this and pull it out. And you just keep doing that all the way across. Otherwise, you're yanking on it real hard, and it's just really, you feel like you're like, well, maybe I didn't see something just right. But you can see that curve in there. So that's what was catching. And also, they don't tell you how to separate these veins from the rest of the grill, so you can put your rough country lights in. It looks like 4 bolts or 4 nuts here, here, there, and there, and then you should be able to just lift this. Should be able to lift this out. This is my first time under the hood of a 2019 F-150, so you know, all I do is check the water for the windshield wiper and check for check the oil. So you need to take these loose. I guess I can get my smaller one for that. Because you can't, and if you get this loose and this is still stuck, then you're in a rock and a hard spot. Here goes one. I know where it went. Let me get the other one. A little bit better pry bar, a little bit more meat. And I got these real cheap ones here from Harbor Freight. I think the whole package was about 15 bucks. Don't try to do it with a screwdriver or some homemade gizmo, because once you scratch it, it's scratched. Once you tear something up, you either got to live with it or replace it. All right, let's get some sockets. That's a 10 millimeter there. And if you want to hang in here, I'll leave the camera running. I don't normally, I try not to bore people with menial stuff, but like for me, it would have been nice if I could find this video, because I thought I was going to have to take the headlights out. Nobody said anything about taking headlights out. They all made it look real easy. Believe me, when you start tugging on that grill and it doesn't give loose, you're thinking, okay, there's something down here they didn't tell me about. Kind of like a cook. A cook won't always give you their whole recipe. They'll give you, you know, probably the recipe without one ingredient. So it's good, but it's not as good as what their food is. Nobody showed me how to, and I couldn't find a video for this. There's some people on YouTube who've got some great videos. I want to get these on before I get out to the ranch so I can see it at night. If I get this right, it should lift out. time it flops around. Don't worry about breaking something. Take this jacket off. Even though it's cool, for me, it's starting to get warm. That's just nasty. Like I always say, I try not to cut away from the problems because I want you to be able to see. I have to get this apart to get the light on that side of the grill. I see bolts here and there. I don't want to start just completely just taking stuff loose and but you never know. Well, here we go. Hopefully that'll do it. That'll be awesome. If that does it, I will be happy. But I don't think so. Let's see. Okay, that separates it so far. Oh, and then it's got that clip right there. And then let's turn it over and take a look at it. I don't see anything on this side. I'm gonna guess it's probably these two. Well, maybe not. Yeah, I think it's just those snaps right there. Got 4 of them. Yeah, I believe that's all that's holding that on. There's 5 of them. Okay, so I pushed it like this. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that over there. I'll get that. All right, push it there. Oh, now it's snapped back in place. Body, people who do this for a living are worth what they get paid, I'll tell you that. And all it takes is one mistake and you spent some money you didn't want to spend. Toad frog. I may have it. Oh, guess what? I didn't need to take these off because this is stuck to that. It felt loose a while ago, but now it doesn't feel loose. It felt loose and wiggly, now it doesn't feel loose and wiggly. I know there's a body guy sitting on the edge of a seat somewhere going, no, man, this is what you're supposed to do. I wish it were here. It's like, oh, okay, there's a screw right here in the middle. Let's see. That's it right there. That's my monster. Or bolt, whatever you want to call it. I wonder if you have to take this to the dealership every once in a while and have all the bugs cleaned out of it. That was it right there. That's that video there. So we'll just end the video here. Put this here so I don't forget where it goes. And then have to figure out where these go, where these will go. Right in there, just like that. So that'll be another video. If y'all don't mind waiting for a part 2. Thanks for watching. Man, I hope this helped you because it was a bear for me.